If you want to delete all data or fix software problems on your Xiaomi 15, the solution is to do a hard reset to return to factory settings. Turn off your phone, then press the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen. Then you can release the power button. In recovery mode, navigate with the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Wipe data and press the power button. Now select Wipe all data and press the power button. Select Confirm and press the power button. All data is deleted and settings are restored to factory settings. Press back to main menu. And press Reboot to restart the phone. After a while, which may be 1 minute or more, the phone will restart and you will have to go through all the steps to activate it. You will have to enter your previous Google account. Thanks for watching and goodbye.